Hello everyone, once again it's your boy Deo here again. So literally in the previous video I've taken you through the process of downloading our and installing our VirtualBox. So now here we are going to install now a virtual machine on our VirtualBox. So to install our virtual machine, we shall come to here to new. So after start coming to new, here we can just come and type your Windows 8 and then we hit the next button. So now here you can just come and specify the number of the base memory that you want. I can go with this and then maybe the number of CPUs. You hit next and then now here. So here now this is just the setup and then here you can finish up. So now our virtual machine is okay. So now here we can now power it on. So just give it a few minutes for it to power on. So now after it powering on, you can now come and select our ISO image. So basically mine was actually look for where you had stored it. I think mine was somewhere here. This, and then I shall mount and reboot. So now after that we'll leave it, we'll just give it a few seconds. So there we are. And now after before that process several times until it brings this screen. So now we'll leave it a few minutes for it to start. So here now it will just keep booting. It is not just booting up. So just give it a few minutes. So when it starts, it will bring this screen. So here now, let's first close this Windows. So now here we shall just next, and then I will install our Windows 8. So it will start up. Just give it a few minutes. So now from this point, it needs the product key for it to activate. So we shall just come and search for Windows 8 product key, which I've already searched for mine. I'll just come and so now I'll just come and take any of this. So let's first try to minimize this. So here now after typing in our product key, can come and hit next. Couldn't verify, so probably maybe we typed it wrongly, so we shall type it again. So now after typing our product key, we come and accept this license. We hit next, and then now here. So now for this case, we shall hit on the custom because we are installing a new VirtualBox. But if it was upgrading, we would just hit on the other previous one. So now here we shall select the partition type. You can create a new partition to start up a bit, and then we hit OK. So our partition has been created, and then I'll hit next. So now wait for our Windows to install. Now let's give it a few minutes. Yes, so here now you can see our VirtualBox, because literally when it finishes installing, the screen, sometimes the screen can disappear and then just becomes black. Here it's starting up, installing to restart. So now here you can see it's starting up. So we can first give it a few minutes as it is. So here now you can see our machine is finalizing. It's now getting all the devices ready and literally everything that we. So now you can see the screen. Our machine is getting ready. Let's have to be patient. So here we have our machine. It's still starting up. Usually this one depends on the machine, so we just have to be patient. Here we have our machine ready. We can now just personalize it. Here you can put my name. You can just give it a name. I can put the Adele. We hit next. And then now here you can use these express settings. And then email address, you can leave it. You can sign without a Microsoft account. And then now you can use a local account since we do not use any. And then now this username we can just leave it. And then now we finish up. Okay. Can put any. Then finish up. So now it's finalizing. We also first give it some few seconds. So here now we have our machine. It's just getting a few things ready. So here it is. You can see it here. It is starting up. So this process will take 2 minutes like that. So we just have to be patient with it. It's now installing the different applications. Let's be patient a little more. So here also we can just give it a few minutes. So finally here we are. So meaning here now at this point now we can set a few things in our machine. For example, now actually our VirtualBox is ready, so now you can install the application you want. For example, you can install Google Chrome. Just come here and then I search for Google Chrome and then now you install. So literally here, there we are. So thank you. We'll catch up in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you there. Bye.